Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm also good. We are going to play a stranger pet of game in which I don't know about the particular my friends. Let's see what would be happen. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, sir. What
Sir,
about you?
I'm also good. If you don't mind, may I take some minutes to talk
Yeah,
with you?
definitely.
Okay, sir. Sir, you live in Delhi.
Yeah, I live in Delhi
Okay, how long you have been living here, sir?
since my birth, because my birthplace is Delhi. Okay, sir. Can I know about your good name? What's your good name and
My name
about
is
your
Gul.
qualification?
Yes, sir. My name is Gulshan Kumar. I have completed 10th and 12th class from Bihar Board with Commerce stream. Now I am pursuing graduation from Delhi University with BCom program. May I know about you? What do you do right now?
Okay, right now, after completing my 10 plus 2 from CBSE board, first of all, my name is Ankit and I live in Delhi, Sangam Vihar, New Delhi, and I have completed my 10 plus 2 from CBSE board, and after completing it, I am pursuing my graduation from IGNOU University, and apart from it, I also learn English from International Institute of Foreign Languages and do my course of graphic designing. Okay, sir. So you mentioned that you completed your 10 plus 2 from Bihar board.
Yes, sir.
But why you are completing your graduation from DU as well?
Oh, yes, sir. There was some reason behind it. My father has been shifted over here due to some reason. That's why we have to come over here to get our study. Even I wanted to get more study. That's why I migrated from Bihar to Delhi, and today we are living over here. So, as you said, you have been doing graphic designing. Why
Yes,
did
sir.
you select graphic designing as a future? Is
Uh,
there any future of graphic designing after completing graphic designing?
Yes, the future is very bright because we know that from like how the thing changes, because all the thing is shifted in computer and as well as digital. So for that, like graphic is basically means to promote, like make an advertisement of a product and that kind of thing. So you know that companies manufacturing their product and they can do their advertisement in different platforms. So for that, for making that advertisement and the designs, the need of graphic designer is increasing day by day. Okay, sir. May I know what you want to be in your life?
So, as I am from the commerce system, so after completing graduation, I will go for the CMA course. It's the cost management accounting. It's the good future. If you will complete it, then you will handle the cost accounting, and it's all about the commerce system student. Those who are from the commerce system, because in this you have to learn about the cost per unit cost. Just we can take example of bottle. We can take example of bottle. Just how much cost it has taken, so we have to learn about it. It's all about the good future about the commerce stream after completing it. And if I'll not complete CMA, then I will go for the government job also, because since in the 10th class I had good command of the mathematics, and the government in the government we need of mathematics, and I have a good knowledge about the mathematics, and I believe that I can qualify that.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay, so as you said that since your childhood you have been living in Delhi.
Yes.
Is there any changes have you seen in Delhi?
Yeah, a lot of changes, because of we know that because it's like change is necessary for a better. So we are in Delhi, we also seen a lot of changes, like about in transportation, in infrastructure. There are a lot of changes happen. So I think and it's necessary, because for being a developed nation, we need to change the things in our country. Okay, sir. May I know about your hobbies? Like what type of things you want to
Yes,
like?
sir. My hobbies are playing cricket and talking to someone. You know why I select talking to someone as a hobbies? Because you know when I talk to someone, I get something new. If I talk about in the English, just we are talking with you. In the last, we will get something from your side. What's the, as you said about the graphic designing, so we will learn about the graphic designing as well from your side. That's why I select talking to someone as a graphic as a hobbies. So, sir, as you said that, how many siblings do you have? May I know?
Okay, sir. I have four siblings in my family. In my family, I have four siblings, and I am the younger one in my family. Okay. May I know about, as you mentioned that you like to play cricket. So
Yes,
who
sir.
is your favorite cricketer in Indian cricket team?
Right now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now, my favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. And before the Virat Kohli, I had a favorite, which is Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, because you know I like the
Yes.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the style, the captain cool. He knows about to how to handle the team as well. So I like the Virat Kohli and MS Dhoni as well.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
may I know what's your father does?
Okay, my father work in a export sector, basically in the textile industry, and the main work of my father is to make the designs of the cloth and the pattern. Okay, sir. May I know about your father profession?
My
Like
father
what's
has a simple. My father has a simple business. He has been doing business, and he has a small business, and we have been doing on it.
what type of business like your father do? Can you tell us?
He is a shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, sir. What's your hobbies? You also want to play cricket?
No, yes, sometime I like to play cricket, but because no one, like my friends are not gathered, so that's why I quite to play cricket. But yeah, I also like to play cricket and also like to play kabaddi and listening music and whenever I free. So that's my hobbies. Okay, sir. So you also you mentioned about to be a CMA. So can you tell me like what is the work of CMA and what the roles and responsibility in a company of the CMA?
Okay, sir. It was nice talk with you, and we will believe that we will meet soon.
Okay, definitely, sir. We meet.